It's been a long 8 months since I have given a bathroom update. I did not anticipate having you guys wait this long to see what the final bathroom transformations ended up looking like. We kind of left off where the first floor bathroom was pretty much finished up and the upstairs bathroom was in the middle of the demo process. So let's go all the way back to July to see what these bathrooms used to look like. Throughout the entire process, we started off with the half bath downstairs. So the very beginning process was to gut the floor and remove the toilet and the vanity because I was having brand new flooring put in throughout the entire house, including that bathroom. If you guys remember my love for these bathrooms, I said that I wanted to get rid of them. And that's exactly what we're doing today. For the most part, I have a lot of things already ordered, but this half bath downstairs is getting demoed today before the floors go in on Monday. So just so you guys remember, here is the before. Ta-da! Oh my God, it's demoed. Look how crazy it is. So everything is out. I'm so excited! The original first floor half bath was a little outdated. It was kind of that beigey, yellow, older vibe, and I was not here for it at all. In the original bathroom, the countertop went all the way to the other side of the wall, and the spaces are already pretty small as is, so I just thought getting rid of that would really help open up the space, and I also didn't need that much counter space for a downstairs bathroom that was mainly just going to be used for guests. My inspiration for the downstairs bathroom was to just be brighter. There's a lot of grays and whites, and I did decide that that would be the one place that had color in the bathroom. Here is the new downstairs bathroom. Obviously, you guys can see there's some patchwork that needs to be done. You can see like the color there, and then up there, because the old light used to go all the way across. Here is the vanity in daylight with the toilet, so let's see. Okay, there's water in it, so I think I can use it, but I'm just gonna wait for now. But we have the storage here, and then I just brought this in to see how it looked. I really like the way it looks in the corner. The garbage can, have the toilet paper, all that kind of stuff. And I think it's gonna look really, really good. Once the vanity and the toilet and all the hardware was installed, it was pretty much done. The only issues we really had with the downstairs bathroom was unfortunately there was a leak under the sink. So that kind of messed up the bottom of the vanity, which was a little sad, a little upsetting, but I did get everything fixed. I hired a plumber. So although I did spend a pretty penny up front replacing everything, hopefully that means I am saving money in the future by preventing any sort of water damage or leak. But as the downstairs bath was like 90% done, the only thing that was really left to do was patch up some of the paint, make sure it was all perfect, and add on the lighting fixture, and it was pretty much done. And that's kind of where we left off in the vlogs. And then it was time for this upstairs bathroom to get demoed once there was at least one working toilet in this house. So this upstairs bathroom was completely gutted, and it was insane what it ended up looking like during the very beginning stages of the reno process. Okay, the door is closed. I don't see any flooring in there anymore. Oh my. Oh my. Look at this demo. That cotton candy concerns me because it's so dark. So here is my new bathtub. Here's what it's looking like in here. Doesn't look the best. That doesn't look great. It's all here on the ground, but there's that. But here's my new tub. We have the new fixtures for the piping to go in. But yeah, that's crazy. Like, there's all the old wall. But okay. Little angry fist in there. No big deal. Old medicine cabinet. That's gonna go. Here's the demoed bathroom. Now I really cannot use it, so that's that. All right, well, there's the update. All the tile was completely broken up. Everything on the walls was completely torn down. For this upstairs bathroom, the same kind of deal was just to keep everything in its place but update and renovate it. So it was completely gutted. It definitely had its original tile on the walls and on the floors, original countertop and vanity, and then it had a sliding glass door that I wanted to completely remove because it was just rusty and crusty. So it had to go, and I never ever showered here while the old bathrooms were here. But I had a lot of fun going to the different tile stores. I went to Floor & Decor, Home Depot, you name it, I probably went there. The most fun that I had was picking out the vanity and the tiles for these bathrooms. I just had so much fun seeing all the options. I have never been in a Home Depot more times in my life than I did in July and August. It was actually insane to pick up toilets, tiles, lighting, hardware. There was just so much that went into these bathrooms. Where we left off in the vlogs was that this bathroom was just gutted, and that was about it. So after it was completely gutted, they started patching up the walls, putting it up, reframing everything. And I had two different requests. The first request was to have a really big shower niche where you can put all your products. So I said, this is my bottle of shampoo, I just need it to fit in to the niche. And then for the shower, you can always just have a bar that goes across the shower and then get a shower curtain. But I actually went with a half panel of glass that just makes the bathroom look so amazing, and it's definitely the feature of my bathroom up here. Anytime someone comes by that hasn't seen it before, it's just like blown away by it because it does look really cool. And although this isn't the most like luxurious $1 million home, it definitely adds that like extra oomph that makes me excited to like want to shower or take a bath.
I just got to the house. It's confirmed I have water running downstairs in the bathroom, which is great. And I am in, oh, what the heck? It's so red in here. And here's the update with the upstairs bathroom. They obviously left the vent on because there's some work going down in here, so that's exciting.
But once everything was purchased, the tiles I ended up going with for the floor and the niche were a small hex. I kept going back and forth if I wanted big hexes or smaller ones. My contractor said the smaller ones would make it feel a bit bigger versus really big hexagons. So I went with a marble-esque look for the floor and the shower niche. And then for the entire shower wall, I went with gray subway tile because it was something I knew I wasn't gonna ever get sick of, and it wasn't anything too crazy. And then I have all of my tiles for the upstairs bathroom. So here is what they look like. They're just pretty standard and gray. And then I have the grout, and very exciting, we have some toilets. Ooh. And then it came time for everything to be installed. So I had a lot of different options when it came to how I wanted the tiles to be laid out in the shower. Normally you see subway tiles going horizontal this way, and to make the shower look bigger, I had him switch it to go vertical up the walls. And it just makes the shower look so much bigger than it is, because my ceilings are only 8 feet. It's standard, but it's not huge, and it looks just like so much taller having your eyes go up. There's some visual like mind trick that it does to your eyes, but it just makes it look so much bigger and taller than it actually is, and I love it. So seeing the tile for the first time before it got grouted was insane because it felt like it was almost done. And then the vanity and the mirrors, all my shelving got installed, and it was done. And now I'll show you what the final bathrooms look like. So let's check out the downstairs bath, and then I'll show you guys the upstairs one. watching this video. I'm so excited. There is so much more house content that I want to film and update you guys on because it's just completely changed. It's been a whole 180 since I moved in like 7 months ago, and I'm just so happy that I have my own space that I can mess around with and style it however I want. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.